Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save WhatsApp photos to your gallery automatically, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go to your settings. If you're on iPhone, tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. If you're using Android, tap the three dots in the top right and then select Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Chats. On iPhone, you'll see an option called Save to Photos. Simply switch it on. On Android, you'll see Media Visibility. Turn this on as well. From now on, any photo you receive on WhatsApp will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. If you want to save older photos manually, open the image. On iPhone, tap the Share button in the bottom left, or on Android, tap the three dots in the top right, and then choose the option to save or download the photo. And that's it. Now you know how to automatically save WhatsApp photos to your gallery.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.